What do you mean?
Oh my god. Bro, I can't play like this.
I'm not standing.
Okay, okay.
I'm still sitting.
Yeah. I can see that.
Yeah? Huh?
What's happening?
I can like lie down even more now.
Wow. Please keep playing.
Also jump. I forget. And then reach that. Oh no.
I don't think you can jump in this game.
Wait. I think we're gonna make $0 from this.
I can't play seriously if you're gonna be like that. I'm scared.
I feel terrible right now. Gee.
I'm actually dying.
Wait. Oh, Suki's over there. Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Can I lay down in here? No, I can't. Oh no. I can't. Oh no.
But you suddenly dance. Oh, that was the funniest thing I've seen for quite a while.
You are a stupid kid with a small dick, and your mom hates you. You have no brain, and your father probably hates you too, you piece of trash.